Everybody, my name is Pamela. I'm here at Solar Taxi, part of the Female Engineering Academy, sponsored by WISC. So far, for the past 2 weeks, I've learned about design and manufacturing electric vehicles. I've learned that electric vehicles are powered by batteries. The batteries, the power are generated through electrical currents into batteries. So when you see an electric vehicle passing, it's powered by electricity. So I'm looking at gaining more knowledge in the electric vehicle and assemblage industry so that I'll be well vested to train other women, because if I'm able to learn this course, it means that other women can also learn it and then get a career out of it. Thank you.